Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Vikas,
Yes.
have you got yourself vaccinated, dear?
Yes, sir.
So you can take off the mask. The distance is safe for clarity of expression. How are you, Vikas?
I'm good, sir.
Okay. Vikas, what is the date today?
Sir, it is 5th of July today.
It is 5th,
5th of August today, sir. Pardon me.
5th of August.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Sir, 6th of August.
6th of August. What is the significance of today? What happened to today?
Sir, the abrogation of Article 370.
That happened today.
Sir, it happened on 5th of August.
What is the significance of today, 6th of August?
Sir, talking about the current affairs, today retrospective taxation got withdrawn.
Historically, what is the significance of this date?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of it.
Okay. Have you heard about little boy?
Sir, is it the atom bomb on Japan?
Huh.
Yes, sir.
It was dropped today.
Thank you, sir.
On which city?
Sir, the twin cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, but on which city, little boy, on which city, fat man, I'm not able to recall.
Which city was bombed first? Hiroshima or Nagasaki?
I'm not aware of it, sir.
Vikas, what can we do to denuclearize the world? 3 steps that can be adopted to denuclearize the world.
Sir, the first step would be Russia and US will have to lead by example because they constitute more than 95% of the total nuclear bombs of the world. The second would be a resolution by the P5 members on the same, that the other P5 members, which are nuclear powers, they'll have to follow in their footsteps, sir. And after that, sir, countries like India, who have stated their objective as denuclearization of the whole world, they can follow suit, sir.
Okay, it means member countries, nuclear powers should themselves denounce nuclear weapons. Your answer is very idealistic. It is divorced from realpolitik. Do you understand what is realpolitik?
Yes.
Would you like to amend your answer?
Sir, I think that the concentration of nuclear weapons has posed many challenges for the countries which possess them in the first place, because it has started an arms race in the world, and due to this arms race, sir, the expenditure on defense is increasing and it's pushing the whole world on the brink of nuclear war. Also, sir, there is threat of terrorism and the nuclear bombs falling in terrorist hands. In this case, sir, due to these reasons, I think that trying to denuclearize the whole world by initiative of the nuclear power first is not as divorced from the reality as it might seem in the first place, sir.
Okay. Because you come from Delhi,
Yes.
right? Tell me one thing about the economy of Delhi and one thing about the ecology of Delhi, which generally people do not know.
Sir, in terms of firstly the economy of Delhi, in terms of the wealth, Delhi is the second most prosperous city after Mumbai in the country. In terms of
Are you sure about this?
Yes.
Okay. What is your source?
Sir, I've read it in the Delhi Economic Service, sir. And sir, in terms of ecology, it has a very high uh, density of trees. I'm not able to recall the exact number, but it was surprisingly high, sir. I think it was more than 25%.
Is it higher than Chandigarh?
I'm not aware of it, sir.
Okay. Delhi has entered into partnership with some important cities, like say Delhi Melbourne partnership. Can you highlight 2 other such partnerships?
I'm not aware of those partnerships, sir.
Okay. Mechanical engineering is your optional subject, because how mechanical engineering can help in fighting pollution?
Sir, the application can be in multiple areas which cause pollution currently. The first is the vehicles. So we are trying to transition to e-vehicles, sir, and in that mechanical engineering can help, sir. Also, sir, in the transition to Bharat Stage 6 norms, and the associated technologies with it are developed with the help of mechanical engineering. Then, sir, in terms of other major source of pollution, which is the stack emissions from the power plants, in that, sir, we can fit technologies such as electrostatic precipitator. So those technologies can help us in countering pollution, sir.
Okay. Your hobby section reads as reading non-fiction books, mindfulness meditation, exploring gadgets. Can you name a non-fiction book that you have read that comes from ancient Indian literature?
Sir, I have read Siddhartha by Hermann Hesse, which is not exactly ancient Indian literature, but it has links with ancient India, sir.
Have you heard about this book, The Medium is the Message?
I've heard about it, sir, but I have not read it.
What is this book about?
Sir, I think it is about philosophy or self help, but I'm not sure, sir. I've just heard about it.
Have you heard about the book The Right Stuff?
No, sir, I've not heard about it.
Okay, then you might have definitely heard about How to Win Friends and Influence People by
Dale Carnegie, sir.
What is the essence of that book? Core message.
Sir, the core message of it is instead of focusing up on ourselves, we need to focus on other people and make them feel heard. Then we can develop social relationships, sir.
Thank you, Vikas. Sir.
You were a member of NSS. What is the motto of NSS?
Sir, the motto of NSS is not me but you.
And how did you live that motto in NSS when you were involved with NSS activities?
Sir, while working in NSS, I was involved in teaching underprivileged children, which exposed me to the joy of sharing my knowledge for the first time and the immense satisfaction that one can get when one works for other people, particularly children. For me, sir, it was very easy to explain them a simple concept. But when they understood it for the first time after struggling so hard, then the amount of joy it gave them and the satisfaction.
So when you taught the underprivileged children, did you also teach them how to make and break gadgets, which is your hobby otherwise?
No, sir. Gadgets were not available. We taught them about curricular activities or curricular subjects like maths, like science, sir.
You say your hobby is mindfulness meditation.
Yes, sir.
I'm a little confused. You'll have to guide me. Meditation, I thought, was to empty your mind. Mindfulness meditation is actually about being aware of everything around you.
Yes, sir.
So mindfulness and meditation and mindfulness meditation, how do they gel together?
Sir, while there might be an apparent contradiction at the first look, there is actually a coherence in this. In mindfulness meditation, sir, we try to become aware not only about our surroundings, but also about ourselves. And sir, when we are fully aware of ourselves, when we are able to disconnect from ourselves and see ourselves in the third person, then we are better able to identify and recognize our own emotions. Also, sir, it helps us stay in the present. Otherwise, we stay in the past and we think what happened to us, or we stay in the future and we think what can happen. In this way, sir, it is.
Okay. So you have attempted, this is your fifth attempt at the civil services?
Yes, sir.
And the first time you're coming up for the interview?
This is the second interview, sir.
Second time. But you've written no in front of all the instances.
Sir, I have not been recommended for any service, but I have given an interview earlier in 2018, sir.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I was looking at the 2018. Okay. 2018, 2019, you did not make it.
2019, I appeared for the mains, but I did not make it.
Okay. And where did you go wrong?
I have gone wrong in the mains portion of the examination, sir.
Your subject was?
Mechanical engineering, sir.
So, and that was your subject during your graduation. You should have scored very well in that, I suppose.
Sir, actually, the problem lied with the GS part, that my handwriting speed is not very high, and therefore I faced the challenge in completing the papers, which translated into low scores. I've tried to correct this, and I hope I am one step closer to my goal this attempt, sir.
Okay. I just want to ask you one very simple question. India has sent, or rather, India is sending its naval fleet to the South China Sea. Why and what will be the repercussions? I would want to know.
Sir, I can think of two reasons for it. Firstly, we have an interest in the South China Sea in terms of oil exploration on the coast of Vietnam, which is being done by ONGC Videsh. So, to protect those interests, sir, we might be sending our fleet there. The second is the Chinese cartographic aggression by the means of 9-dash line, sir. And to balance China and to have a strategic presence, like China is seeking a strategic presence in the southern Indian Ocean, that might be another reason, sir.
In the direction of clipping Chinese militarily,
Pardon, sir.
the Quad association that we have, is that a step in the direction of clipping China militarily?
Sir, we have said that China is not the sole focus of the Quad alliance. On the other hand, Quad is an alliance of like-minded democratic countries which aims to have rule of law and democratic spirit and the spirit of following the law in international orders. So, sir, while it helps us in balancing China, it is not the sole purpose of it, and it is not a military alliance, sir.
Good. Why do you want to join the Indian Administrative Services?
Sir, it has been a dream for me to be a part of government and to be involved in government policy making and government policy implementation, and that is the reason that I want to join the services, sir.
Is that the only reason?
Sir, the immense opportunity it provides to work for the poor of the country, and therefore the huge amount of job satisfaction that it offers, that attracts me a lot, sir.
Does the power that an IAS person official has attract you or not?
Sir, I see it more in terms of responsibility, that I'll be responsible to ensure the welfare of so many people, and that responsibility attracts me.
So if you want to look at responsibility, if you want to look at deliverance at the lowest levels, then politics is a better bet rather than the civil services.
Yes, sir. Sir, the end of politics as well as civil services is the same, that is that of public welfare. But sometimes, sir, in politics, the focus shifts to winning the periodic elections. And in that process, sir, we politicians have to resort to populism as well. So those kind of constraints are not there in civil services, sir. Moreover, sir, in civil services, we are also responsible for policy implementation, and that is what is very, very important. So due to this, I'm more attracted towards civil services, sir.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Vikas.
Hello, sir.
So you have your hobby as exploring gadgets.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you are required to make an order of 100 PCs for the official purpose, and you have the two processors. The one is Intel, which is very much expensive, but it seems more energy, and the other processor is AMD. As far as AMD is concerned, it is much more faster and it consumes more energy. So, what will be your choice?
Sir, in case of PCs, there is not an issue with the energy, because in laptops, sir, we need a better battery backup, and the processor which consumes more energy, it will have less battery backup. But because PCs are always installed in the socket. Therefore, we should see the cost efficiency in this case, and also the processing speed and power.
Which one will you recommend? Intel or
Sir, out of the given specification, Intel will be more recommended, particularly in government setup where we have to have a common common hardware for easy repairability.
if you just mentioned cost effectivity is more important, but here the Intel is expensive than AMD.
Sir, we also have to see it in terms of life of operation and maintenance. And
So what is the symbol of NSS? Because as you have volunteered for teaching.
sir, NSS has a symbol of wheel, which depicts the march of time, and colors blue and red are used in that wheel, sir.
Okay. So what does the color navy blue depict in the symbol?
Sir, the color navy blue represents the limitless potential that we can have in the society if we work for the common goal.
By looking at your data, I'm a bit surprised as you have mentioned your mother as housewife, but you are also mentioning the annual income of a mother of nearly 91,000.
Yes, sir.
Why is this?
Sir, this is because of firstly the rental income that we get, and also because some of the savings FDs whose interest we get, sir.
So one last question. What is the difference between NSS and Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan?
Sir, as per my knowledge, sir, NSS is conducted under the Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan program. I'm not sure, sir, but I think those two are related. I'm not able to recall in what capacity, sir.
So one last question, as you have having a good background related to IIT Roorkee and mechanical engineering is your optional. Can you explain me the second law of thermodynamics?
Yes, sir. Sir, the second law of thermodynamics says that for every process, every natural process, the entropy of the process is keeps on increasing in nature. So that means, sir, if we have an isolated system which is not connected to any other surroundings, then for a natural process, its entropy will always increase. Its order of its disorder in nature will increase. We can see it in terms of cars, sir, that fuel is a kind of ordered energy, and out of fuel we run our car, and then it converts into emissions, which is a disordered energy, sir. This process can't run on reverse on its own, sir.
So because if you are appointed as an NSO by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, so what will be your stand as far as China is concerned?
Sir, with
And
respect,
especially related to Aksai Chin area, which is under the control of China.
sir, with respect to China, we have adopted the right strategy of giving a clear signal that its aggression is not appreciated, and we have augmented our forces there, and we are having talks which have run into 12th round now. So we should maintain our position on the ground, sir, and we should focus on disengagement. And with that, sir, once we have resolved this existing dispute, then we can go for exchanging of maps about LAC, sir, so that there is common perception along LAC in the Aksai Chin region, and such disturbances do not occur in future, sir.
Thank you.
Vikas, one last question. Suppose you are a doctor and you're treating a patient, and the only way to cure the patient is to feed him some kind of meat, but the patient is a vegetarian, has been a strict vegetarian, and intends to remain so. Will you force feed the patient? And if you do not, then the patient will die. But the patient is hell-bent that he or she is not going to swallow even a bit of the meat. What will you do?
Sir, here I'll try to reason with the patient.
Is unreasonable now, not listening to reason.
Sir, still as a doctor, it will be my duty to try to make him understand that the medicines that he consumes as a part of regular treatment, those ingredients are also sourced from animals in some way or the other, and they are also tested on animals. And I'll try to understand the source of his skepticism. I'll try to show them that if the skepticism is religious or moral in nature, then even those sources provide for exception in circumstances. And in case it is moral that this causes violence towards animals, sir, I'll try to make him understand that killing himself will be violence on his own self and violence on his family as well. So I'll try to use these arguments with him. Also, sir, I'll try to enlist the help of his family members who will have an emotive connection with him and therefore might be able to persuade him better, sir.
Let me highlight the good things first. You're well dressed for the occasion. You're polite, decent, and your answers were also good. Some of your answers were excellent, especially the last question relating to vegetarianism and all of that. You handled that area very well. But let me highlight few flaws. First, you must be aware about the date on which you are appearing for the interview. The bomb was dropped today over Hiroshima, and this little boy.
Yes, sir.
And then there was the fat man.
Yes, sir.
It was a little bit stronger, and that was on Nagasaki on the 9th of August. Economy and ecology, the answer was not so convincing, right? You must be aware that Delhi has Asia's largest spice market.
Khari Bauli, sir.
You know it, right?
Yes, sir.
Everybody knows it, but only in Delhi. People outside, maybe they are not aware so much.
Yes, sir.
Then are you aware about that Delhi is the second, or I think it ranks 2 in terms of richness of birds of all the cities. Then you have Delhi Melbourne partnership, Delhi Seoul partnership. Clear? So you have different partnership, even Delhi Moscow partnership. So there are so many partnerships. Your knowledge about mechanical engineering is sound. It's satisfactory. As far as your non-fiction books, The Medium is the Message is a very popular, it's all-time bestseller. It's about internet.
All right, sir.
Speed of internet. The medium is the message.
Yes, sir.
Right. The Right Stuff is about moon landing.
All right, sir.
So these are important books, right? And why I asked you these books deliberately? Because there is a resonance with respect to gadgets and all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that's why I asked you deliberately these books. But otherwise, you have answered very well most of the questions. That's the feedback. Sir, you want to add something?
Because the moment you entered, you looked confident, you wished everybody very nice, but your mask, the way you were wearing the mask, was totally disorganized. It's much better right now than it was when you came in the first instance. So ensure that it's worn properly, because the first impressions matter,
Yes, sir.
right? Well dressed, of course, but if you look at your tie, now the small portion of your tie is protruding outwards. Usko thoda sa jara, it should not be so.
Yes, sir.
This portion should not be.
Yes, sir.
It should be beneath your tie, and use a tie pin if required. And I will prefer if you wear a light colored t-shirt shirt that day,
Yes, sir.
instead of a dark shirt.
Yes, sir.
And I think you're wearing brown socks over. That was a little jarring.
Yes, sir.
Very confused in the beginning, because of the date.
Yes,
Just
sir.
remember, Hiroshima, Nagasaki bolte, Nagasaki, Hiroshima nahi bolte na.
Yes, sir.
So that should have given you the clue automatically.
Sir, I thought along those lines, but I was not confident, so I thought I shouldn't.
Okay, but then what I saw was in a couple of places you were not sure about the answer, and the moment the question was shot at you, you straight away said, "I'm not aware." Don't say that. It will be advisable to take a second and then say, "Sir, I'm not very sure about the answer." Don't be very abrupt.
Yes, sir.
Your head movement was excessive. Head was moving, going around all over the countryside.
All right, sir.
So head movement should not be there at all.
Yes, sir.
ऐसे करके मैं बात करूँगा तो आपको कहाँ जा रहा है आपका focus,
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes,
So
sir.
keep your head straight.
Yes, sir.
head straight, and then look at the person in the eye. Your eye movement, your eye contact had a lot to improve.
All right, sir.
Eye contact was not up to the mark. When the question is being asked to you, you're looking at the person directly all the while. When the question is being answered, you're looking at predominantly the person who's asked the question, but at least 20% of the portion should be with the other panelists. That was missing. Your sitting was very slouched. You are much better now, but when you were sitting in the initial stages, you were slouched like this. It'll take away a few marks. Your communication skills are good. Knowledge of the subject was good, but these few things took away a little bit of charm out of your interview. Dwell on them a little bit more. I'm sure you will do well, right? Otherwise, overall, a good performance.
Because all throughout the interview, I noticed one thing, that you were playing with your thumb and then the mask in between. It was looking like as if you want this interview to over as soon as possible. This should not happen now.
Yes, sir.
Rather, place your hands away from each other on your thigh. This
All
is
right,
more appropriate, okay?
Yes, sir.
And place your mask inside the pocket of your coat.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ये थोड़ा चीजें हैं जो आपको ध्यान में रखना है. आई मूवमेंट बीच में ठीक हुआ था, but it was not swift. You know, एक बहुत swiftly अपनी आई मूवमेंट को change कीजिए. And when you are explaining about something, when you are answering, just try to be gentle. Okay, voice का ठीक है, pitch बिल्कुल ठीक है, but it was looking like कि जल्दी से खत्म करने की वजह से आपने पता नहीं एक abrupt answer दिया कि 15 से 20 seconds में खत्म हो गया. बस ये हरी नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir. सर हरीड लग रहा था या एग्रेसिव लग रहा था?
मुझे हरीड भी लगा, एग्रेसिव भी लगा. लास्ट वाला जो आंसर था दैट वाज परफेक्ट. उसको एक बार दोबारा देखना और कंपेयर करना पिछले आंसर से. ठीक है ना, इतनी क्या कहते हैं, गिव यू अ फील ऑफ डिफरेंस की वजह से क्या होता है. तो ये दो तीन चीजें बेटा ध्यान में रखना है, बाकी एवरीथिंग इज
Vikas, this is your second interaction with us, right? What was your score last time?
Sir, in the actual civil service interview,
In the mock, the interaction that you had with us.
in the mock it was close to 160 marks.
So this time there is an improvement of approximately 10 marks. But you know that maybe that was an online interaction, right? Because but here we can judge you much better. But if you factor in all the things that have been just mentioned, definitely there will be a jump of 20-25 marks more. When is your interview scheduled, dear?
1st September, sir.
तो बेटा वक्त है आपके पास, ठीक है, आप मेहनत करिए and definitely you are going to make it.
Sir, 170, matlab, frankly speaking, I thought my performance was below par. I mean, below the last time. तो आपको 170 जैसा लगा सर?
See, not exactly I'm telling 170, but I'm saying maybe an improvement of 10 marks because we can see you better.
Yes, sir.
That's why.
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm saying. The answers were more or less
Similar.
of the same nature.
Yes, sir.
Not too much better, but we're not very poor as well
All
compared
right.
to the last time.
All right,
Relative
sir.
sense.
All right, sir.
So otherwise things are good. Again, last time also I think you were not so much confident with respect to the DAF areas.
Yes, sir.
The same thing happened again.
Yes, sir.
Last time I think I asked you about your birth date or something
Yes,
like
sir.
that. And
National Farmers Day, sir, I did not know.
so maybe this time you are aware,
Yes, sir.
but the question is different.
No, I remember because we had told him, that's why I didn't ask him the same question again.
So
He'll
that's
answer
what
the
I'm
same, isn't
saying.
it?
So because if you work on these areas, definitely there will be.
Do that, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
But look at your foot position, my dear friend, at this portion, at this period of time.
Just look at it, your feet.
अब बेटा जो जूते हैं वो भी साफ करके जाना.
Yes, sir.
Foot should be like this, not like this, or abrupt like this. You
Yes, sir.
understand that? The hands, if you want to keep it like this, it's fine. If you want to keep it on the thighs, that's fine.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Mask, as rightly pointed out, should be taken off and kept in your pocket. Take time to sit. Because once you are seated, then you will not have any attention towards yourself.
Hands away, again you are playing.
Yes, sir.
If you're like this, you do like this, right? Or you put it like this,
All right, sir.
or like this.
All
Then
right,
you
sir.
are not going to do that.
All right, sir.
And head again.
Yes, sir. I'll decrease the head movement, sir.
Not if you stop.
All right, sir. Sir, it won't look unnatural.
It's a gentle movement.
Few moments,
Acknowledgement. When you are showing some sort of acknowledgement,
Yes.
then the movement is fine.
but not abrupt. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हमारे अगर हम लगे ना तो सुबह स्कूल नहीं पाते.
All right, sir.
ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vikas.
Thank you
Your
so much.
eyes speak more than your head. Remember that.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.